If your App Store isn't working on your iPhone, don't worry, I've got some solutions for you. This issue can often be due to network problems, account issues, or temporary glitches. Here's how to fix it. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or has cellular data enabled. Switch connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if the issue persists. Solution 2. Clear cache data for App Store. Open Setting, scroll down, tap App Store, scroll down, tap Personalize, Recommendation, tap Clear App Usage Data. After that, restart the App Store. Close the App Store. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the App Switcher, then swipe up on the App Store to close it. Reopen the App Store. Open the App Store again and check if it's working. Solution 4. Check date and time settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Date and Time, enable Set Automatically. Ensure this option is turned on to sync your iPhone's date and time with your network. Solution 5. Sign out and back into your Apple ID. Open Settings, tap your Apple ID at the top of the screen, scroll down and tap Sign Out, restart your iPhone, sign back in, open Settings, tap Sign in your iPhone, and enter your Apple ID credentials. Reset network settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset Network Settings. Note that this will reset your Wi-Fi passwords and cellular settings. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of the App Store not working on your iPhone. If this guide helped, let me know in the comments below.